What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Today we have something a little special. We have two new vehicles right now.
Oh, you never showed them here?
I never showed them. We have two new vehicles. Mitch just bought one. I'll show you Mitch's beautiful. Dude, what is this?
Okay, I have what?
What is this?
It's my new car. Truck thing.
SUV.
You can't beat the price.
Wow. Holy shit. 300 bucks?
Yeah.
$300 for this junk.
Hey, it's not bad. I just sold the WRX today.
Oh yeah, you did. You got all that cash now.
I think he's a subscriber too.
Oh really?
He came up to me and was like, "Oh, hey, how's the Cavalier doing?" I was like,
Yo, that's sick.
Well, no, it's not.
Oh yeah, that's kind of bad. If you, I'm sorry.
Oh,
whoa, put it away.
So,
okay, I also got that. I'll show you guys later.
I put gas in the car and you could hear it dribbling into the tank.
Oh my god. We're gonna go for a ride and get some stuff. Hang on, I'm gonna take a quick picture. Now this is riding in fucking style.
Dude,
holy shit. Dude, it smells like gas in here.
Well, I just put a gas can in.
Oh.
Okay,
well,
so
that would make sense.
I opened the gas cap, right? And there was like maybe a half a gallon in there.
In the cab?
No, in that can.
Oh, in the can.
And I put gas like into the filler neck, and you just hear like filling the gas tank. You're probably like, oh, because we only put like fucking 2 gallons in it last year.
We didn't put like anything in the Cavalier, so we're thinking we have like no gas in it.
Well, or it could be fucking dry firing the injectors too, because
that's true. We're gonna get this car idling, hopefully.
Yes, it is.
What the fuck?
That's a female turkey. Dude, that is an urban ass fucking turkey. We're like close to the city. I think you gotta go home.
Mitch, where do we have to go?
The gas station and Advanced Auto. I'm gonna put plugs in it too.
Alright.
Because now I got that MILF money.
Yeah.
MILF?
That what?
Isn't it part of a song or something?
Oh, okay.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
What?
I don't know what you listen to.
Dude, look at this horn.
Oh my god! What was that? Oh. Hey, you trying to share some of that?
Nah, I gotta pay all my shit off.
Dude, this is like the third time we had gift cards. We got Timmy's from Mitch. Why does he always have gift cards?
People tip them. That's
Gift cards?
Okay, honestly, if that was the problem the whole time, I'm gonna shoot myself.
The gas?
Yeah, I would literally be like, looking at a wall for the rest of the time.
We got our Timmy's there, bud.
I was pouring the gas, in and
gas?
you could hear it hitting the bottom of the fucking tank.
Oh. It's empty. It's running on fumes, literally. Welcome to Advanced Auto Parts. What do we get? Oh yeah, spark plugs again. Holy shit. Got what we needed. Spark plugs and stuff. Why do you have these, Mitch?
Why is she...
Oh, are you sure? So, we're gonna go head back to the shop and go work on the cab now.
Hopefully not have to pull this fucking gas tank.
Yeah, hopefully we don't have to pull the gas tank.
I really don't want to.
I'm kind of guessing we have to. We're back at the shop. Let's get out of this clunker.
Yeah, don't forget your little fucking gay pod.
Oh, my gay pod. My tripod, it's called, actually.
Make you a fucking tripod.
Okay. Yeah, it's chilly. It was cold though. Wow. What? That's a very interesting
dude, I opened it. I was like, hello?
Oh, that's fucking weird. Yeah, I'll show you this later. I'll show you my car. But you guys didn't see this this beautiful beast right here. Wait, I don't know. Where's the gas? Yeah. Huh.
This is a piece of shit.
Yeah. So we're gonna fill the cab with some gas because we.
Wait, when he does it, be quiet. You'll hear it.
Okay. We figured out it has literally no gas in it. So
I don't think it's good that I got that battery charger on while I'm doing
Oh,
that.
that's fine. Just fill her. Ah, I hear it. Dude, it's empty. At least you have something now. Wow.
First turn, this is all gonna be gone.
Yeah,
because it's overfueling so bad.
I don't think this is gonna be our solution though.
Is that Tony?
Oh, it is Tony.
Yeah.
Mitch's wife is here. We have Mitch just cleaning up the car a little bit, doing some stuff.
Some gap in the plugs.
Gap in the plugs. Yes, sir. Getting those. I hope it fires up, dude. I really do hope we can get this. We are hoping to get it idling today. So if we can't, he's gonna be depressed and end up committing suicide or something. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go show you my new vehicle because I haven't shown you guys yet. I just bought it, and Mitch just bought his vehicle too. All right, we got Mitch's car right there. Toyota. God damn it, he already got his stickers on it and everything. And here is my brand new vehicle. I bought a 2016 Ford Fusion SE all-wheel drive, fully loaded. Very, very nice. Full leather interior and a bunch of fancy stuff like the sunroof there. It's very, very comfortable. That YouTube money. But it's a very comfortable car. It's real quick. I make a lot of horsepower. I want to do a couple mods to it eventually. Blow-off valve would be my first mod I'm going to do to it. I'm going to wrap a couple pieces in carbon fiber. Nothing crazy. I want to de-chrome the car because I have a lot of chrome. Just a couple little things to make it cool. Eventually, I'm going to probably lower it and do some cool stuff to it after it's paid off and all that. Right now, I'm just going to go back in.
Hi, motherfucker.
Oh my god. I'm going to go back in and see what...
What? I grabbed the speaker.
Oh, okay.
You missed it. It was idle.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's pretty cool too.
Oh yeah, I definitely heard it idling. All right, so we're gonna try to get this car idling. I'll just make another actual video explaining everything that I want to do and all my car.
to turbo it.
It's already turboed.
Turbo.
I'll twin turbo it. Once it paid off, I'll do whatever, dude. I don't care. Right now, we're gonna go try and start the car. You cleaned up everything, tightened everything down, so that's pretty cool. So we'll see how this works.
Prime it once.
Can we do it again?
Yeah, go.
No leaks.
Can we start it?
Try it.
Oh, is the thing in the way? That's really annoying.
Ready?
Yeah.
I think it's something with that gas thing, man.
Well, you only tried it twice. It's still gotta suck all the gas.
Well, it's starting.
That sounds like a better starter. But I just gave the gas and let off real quick.
Try to get to idle.
What the hell's that noise?
Pump the gas.
Is that the wipers?
Yeah. Hold on, turn the wipers off.
The damn wipers are going.
Why does it do that?
Is it a fuse?
I don't know what fuse it would be though.
That's what happens though when it starts. It
They
goes
keep it
and cuts right
idling?
off.
Yeah, I don't know what that...
Try it one more time.
What do you want me to do? Gas or no gas?
Try to get the fucking one.
It cuts itself off.
Huh. Yeah, it doesn't want to idle at all.
It's like it's not getting enough gas.
I don't know if it's the gas anymore. I still don't know if it's the
Well,
gas.
you gotta think about it because the
Like-
only way it's idling is if I'm pumping.
Yeah.
It's just
It's
pumping
starving-
gas into it.
If it'll start for fuel though.
Yeah. We're gonna have to do some research. We figured out that we're gonna have to drop the tank. So, Mitch is extremely happy about this. But we're gonna have to drop the tank and put the... We have a real fuel pump over there. Instead of an eBay one that's inside.
Yep.
So we're gonna have to drop the tank just because of that. Because we really think it's just because of the pump. It's not gonna be fun, but we're gonna have to do it. I'm hoping this makes the fucking car idle, dude. Real nice.
If not, do you want to hand me a fucking flathead, please?
A flathead, yeah.
15 or a 17, and my big 3/8 gun and a long extension, please. No, I'm okay.
What's it saying?
Are you struggling to pay your student loans by your due date? No.
Yeah.
Jack her up, feller.
Jack Raw. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, no.
That wasn't me. Shit.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah?
Ready? First.
When Mitch and I saw you move,
That's one bolt. That's a big boy.
Hello,
All the weight's on the jack. Now, half of it.
It's about to be too. Ready? She coming down. Alright, lower it slowly.
It's on the jack. Hang on. All right, it's going.
Gee, hold on.
I mean, yeah,
Uh-huh.
Move the jack.
There it is. Yep.
Ah! Fucking.
It's right there.
Alright, now go.
Okay, dropping.
Yeah, I got it.
You all right?
Nope, keep going.
Keep going. It's almost on the ground. Oh, it's falling out. We can reach it from here.
No, I'm pulling it all the way out.
All the way out? Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get this fucking line on.
I was gonna say we don't even have to get the whole thing out.
Yeah, I'm pulling it all the way the fuck out.
Okay.
'Cause I am not fucking doing this right here.
Yeah.
There's still gas in it. Feels like there's more than we did.
There's a door there. Okay, we got the tank out. And we can do all the work from up top. Without being under the car.
Just watch your face, because if it comes out, I don't want to fucking hurt you guys.
Look at that! We didn't even need them. Wow, you guys are
What do you gotta do? Twist it?
flame race. Oh my god.
Got a little rust.
little bit of rust. It's fine.
It's fucking original gas tank.
Fucker's minute. Flathead, right?
Sure.
Yeah, Mitch, it's a flathead. Sure. No. What, an actual flathead?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have so many fucking cuts in this.
Is it burning?
Yeah.
Gas.
I got gas in my fucking mouth.
Mitchell.
Call your dad. He's on the phone with
Alright.
his dad.
I'll send you a picture still.
We found some like little hose that we have no idea where it goes. Right?
Yeah, he said to send him this picture.
That could be our biggest problem. Just that little hose.
Just
right
that, man.
So what we're gonna do is have the old pump or the new pump
Because
just
if
swap
that's the only
everything over.
reason why.
Then what is this? We don't know what this is.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is.
So what are you thinking, Mitch? What's going on here? Did you just break it? Yep. Dude. What the
No, what the fuck?
So Mitch has to blow through the gas line.
But you could just be
The leak.
Doesn't look like it.
Alright, so we're gonna fill it with water and see if it leaks. So we cut the line to see if it was broken. We're gonna replace it anyways with that. Cut it off. Quality. We do quality work at Chris Custom.
Dude, my fucking mouth is on fire right now.
Well, yeah, you were
Rinse it out.
drinking gas practically. I would say just start throwing parts from there on there and just hope it works. Dude, look at the screwdriver. Or the. Oh. Ow. All we're gonna do is swap, like, Mitch is literally swapping everything over from the new pump to the old pump. Even the.
I don't fucking care anymore.
Oh my god.
I really don't.
Dude.
This car is fucking. I don't fucking. Spend $4,000 on a parts car and you get fucking dick. I'm telling you, that's the real fucking way to do it.
So he's gonna need a new pump.
Don't you just love
You
your
got the sock.
Yeah, that's all I needed.
That's all you needed.
plug and play?
Plug and play this whole car. I wish. We're figuring stuff out as we go. We're gonna assemble all this back together and then we're gonna hook it all back up and see if the car runs.
God, please let this car run.
God, please let this thing run. Fuck, we put way too much time and money into this thing.
4 fucking years of my life are into this car.
I'm sorry. It's only been like 2, maybe like 1.5. It's been like an hour since I recorded or something. We're having trouble finding the correct size of line and shit.
Oh, it'd help if the fucking car started open.
Yeah, that would help too, yeah. So we're gonna use the original line there, what Mitch has in his hand. Because we tried using some hose. Kind of ghetto. You got it off. So the plan is to actually just like put the gas tank underneath and hook up all the lines and shit without us actually putting the gas tank back up because we want to see if it even works. If it doesn't work, we don't have to deal with trying to get the gas tank back down. So perfect. Alright, we're putting the tank in. So we're gonna get this in and I'll update you guys when we try to start it, yeah.
Ready? Oh God. Alright. You under there?
Yeah.
Alright.
We have the tank hooked up.
I gotta make sure there's no leaks.
Just hanging there, yeah.
Ready, bud?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, I'm good now.
Yeah, get out of there, dude.
That shit fucking sucks.
The second you cranked it, it started though.
Yeah, that like fired
It right away, dude.
Turn the key on, just the key.
He's on?
That pump sounds fucking weird.
That sounds crazy, dude.
Alright, now try crank it.
You just gotta keep doing it. You okay?
Yeah, I farted.
Okay.
Car starts but won't idle.
Car starts for own idle.
You have to replace the whole throttle.
No, it's just a sensor that's on the side.
Do you have an extra one?
I could have swore I had an extra throttle body.
We're checking if the battery light is on.
Yeah.
Check
That
engine.
battery low thing looked like it came up right there.
Yeah, we found a fuse inside here. Get that light going.
This one was blown.
Yeah.
For whatever the
I have no idea what the
TRN-B/L.
we don't know what that is. So we just swapped it with a good one.
You ready?
And just hoping. So we're just hoping that it idles. I don't think it's gonna do it, but
I wonder if that fuse blew.
then it's a big problem.
It means you got a wire wrong, right?
No, I don't know whatever the fuck that is for.
No, it's good.
No.
If it was the ignition, like you said, it wouldn't. It would crank, but wouldn't.
Yeah, it wouldn't fire. So we messed with the sensor. Yeah. And we're gonna see if that works now. What was that? A lot of them.
Oh, so the thing I said might be right?
I don't know yet.
Well, it
That's
sounded
gonna-
a lot better.
That's gonna be funny if it actually is.
Because that would be the second year in a row.
That's gonna be really funny.
If we're just sitting out here.
Thank you, Tony.
It already sounded a lot better, okay?
Yeah, it did. It kind of sounded like it was gonna idle. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Okay, if we could get the key. Oh, what was that? You got scared by the bug.
You gotta prime it.
No. I think that bike suits you, David.
This seat hurts.
That bike suits you.
Makes something else hurt.
My asshole hurts.
I shit 6 times today.
What?
Yeah. I shit 6 times today.
Oh my god.
Did you see on his Snapchat the last one?
Yeah.
He goes, "I need a fire extinguisher ASAP."
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. What?
I'm buying a battery tomorrow.
Buying a battery? Okay. Get your. You should just take it. Your
I
fucking
am.
scanner.
And I'm bringing a scanner tomorrow. I'm scanning what fucking
Let's do
code
it.
it has. I
Yeah.
swear to God, if it's a goddamn low voltage code, I'm pissed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hook it up and get it out of
Because we dropped the tank for no reason, man. Well, we got the pump in.
Well, if it runs from that, I'm deleting the evap, like,
Yeah.
because the tank's still on the ground.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty much what we're doing next time. Well, he's gonna try to see what's wrong and see if it is the battery. But we don't know. I'm gonna end it here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.